Hello friends, today our topic is quality assurance and quality control. Let me first explain about the quality assurance. It ensures that the approaches, techniques, methods and the process designed for the project are implemented correctly. It recognizes flaws in the process. Quality assurance has to complete before quality control. QA aims to prevent defect and does not require the execution of the program. Now coming to the quality control part, it ensures that the approaches, technique, methods and the process designed in the project are followed correctly. It recognizes the defects and the quality control has to complete after the quality assurance process. QC aim to identify and improve the defects which required execution of the program. So sometime quality assurance is also known as verification process and quality control will be considered as validation process as well.